Uh, I don't want it now, baby. I don't want to get bullied. I will do it because I'm emo. Oh yeah, Uncle Romance. Oh, yeah, I'm here. I'm coming to save the baby. Not to save the baby, that is my daughter, okay? Okay. I'm coming. Rumi, bye. Just bring the console. Oh, console? Oh, thank you. Bring up the console. Yeah. Okay, we're here now. So much damage, so much no. I think school is just a bad time right now. I'm gonna get this school bus by myself then. Let's go to school. I'm going by my school. Oh, is that Uncle Romance? Oh yeah, I'm here. Oh, Uncle Romance. Well, Allison is still in school, but it's their leaving time now. Okay, let's go. Hurry up, bus driver, hurry up! Blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna tell you I fired you because we are the mafia. Oh yeah. Sir, you have to navigate. I'm telling your dad that he owns this bus, that he owns the school. Yeah. Okay, bye. Let's go. Allison! Paralysis! Oh, okay. Allison, come on! Allison! I don't know where... There's a speaker. Wait, hold on here. Yeah, I don't think so. That we go. I'm just coming for her then. Oh, is that the big one? No, she didn't eat her people's lunch. Oh, I forgot. Nobody stole the locker. Oh no, I'm scared. I don't know that I'm going to do this. Lisa! Oh, hi, Uncle Romance. Yeah, come here. I'm gonna babysit you right now. Yeah. Oh, there's a big man here. Is that your uncle? Yeah. He owns this too. Okay, Allison. Oops. Okay, just take that out. Okay. It's time. Recess time! Yay! Come on, let's go. Yay! I'm coming with my uncle. Okay, come in there first. Okay, I'm just gonna come there. Okay, you should teleport there. I love this stuff there because I don't have bullets now. That case, yeah. I should teleport. Up! Yes, I'm here. Oh my. You scared me, Uncle Romance. Okay, come on. Let's eat. Let's eat at the school. I don't want to go to the recess time because it bullies me. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, I think he's gonna teleport later then. Ha? Ayun na. Yung Galaxy naman. Di ka. GSM lang. Wait lang.
Sabi niya ate, huwag ka muna mag-cellphone.
Yung kalitas lang.
treat si Anyos yung panganay mo?
Oo! Ano ba po kasi na ano? Naasar na siya sa iyo eh.
Tapos sabi niya, oo!
Hayaan mo muna.
Nagtatala ka sa
Kasi muna dito. Hayaan mo na.
Kanina ka pa daw!
Kamag-anak na kasi.
Hindi eh. Parang mali pa ako. Panganay mo, 13 anyos.
Oh.
Tapos naging mag-jowa kayo, 12. So, sino ang ama ng panganay na yun?
Baka naman kinalal sila nung napanganak ka.
Naman bago nagsasawa.
Umamin ka, ikaw! Ikaw ang ama! Ikaw ang ama! Ikaw ang ama! Ah, dilaw siya, green ka, ikaw yung mangga.
Wait lang! Wait lang! Ah, guys! We are under attack! We are under attack!
We are under attack! Nanawagan kami dito. Dito ka, nandito yung kapatid sa babae. Ismail ka dyan. We are under attack! Kasi yung kapatid na babae gumagano sa likod.
Grabe na yun. Ang laki na narating lang.
Funny.
Ito kasi si Nanay Irish eh.
Baka hindi pa kayo magkasawa nung panganay. Tama?
Ano lang panganay? Paano mag-iasawa na yung panganay?
kasal. Hindi pa sila kasal.
Doon may panganay na siya.
Oo.
Baka binilang niya lang yung kasal. Kasal sila 12 years
Oo.
na.
Tama ba yun?
Pero bago pa yun, nagkasama
Nagkaanak
na
na
sila.
sila.
May anak na sila.
Oo.
Balita ako, kamukha raw ni Sanji yung asawa.
Uy!
Sabi.
Ha?
Sino nagsabi?
Sanjo Marcos?
Eh, Marudo.
Sandro yun.
Marudo.
Sandro yun.
Anak ko kamukha ni Sanjo Marcos. Sandro.
Kasi, wala pa kasi kayong flash dito.
So, tabo. Ito yung gamitin mo pang igib ng tubig, tsaka pang flash. O, ganyan lang.
Hindi pa pwede gumastos. Flash lang, tsaka bilhin. Ayoko, mababaliw ako, Carlos. Ayoko. Excuse me.
Ako na. Ayan.
Kasi, wala pa kasi kayong flash dito.
So, tabo. Ito yung gamitin mo pang igib ng tubig, tsaka pang flash. O, ganyan lang.
Hindi pa pwede gumastos. Flash lang, tsaka bilhin. Ayoko, mababaliw ako, Carlos. Ayoko. Excuse me.
Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabihag. Wala nang di na...
Magkano kaya yun? Wala. Wait lang ha. Ay. Ano oras na ba? 6:50 kayo ng gamot. No. Punta dito.
Baby wipe. What? Baby wipe. What?
Bakit wala siyang ano? Janira, wag mo saglit lang nakuha.
Hindi ako makapaghintay. Gusto ko na mag-record. How can you fit your thread with? Oh.
Huwag ka magalaw dyan nila. Tama yun akong... Kasi si Tita Jimmy mo, bibigyan ko ng dress niya. Jimmy! Gusto mong dress ta? Dress. One. Hindi, brown. Hindi, sa'yo. Hindi gusto mong dress, kunak. Ito.
My future, always and forever. I know I can wear you guess. Ito din. Sure ka yan, pa? I'm in love with you. Ano kaya lasa ng coffee pag ginagawa ng coffee?
Anong size mo, Jimmy? Small, medium? Jimmy!
S to medium. Pag medium kasi medyo malaki yun eh.
Mayroong X, small, medium. Ganun. Small na lang.